everyone, this is Trader Cbran here, and we are back on our weekly forecast. This week is week 17, and we are looking at Euro USD. So I believe you have been enjoying all our forecasts that we'll be doing on this pair. So if you love it, you enjoy it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the bell notification as well. And also take a step further by joining us in our Telegram group. The link is in the description below. Now, every week we do analysis like this, but every day of the trading week, we actually do more deeper analysis in our Telegram groups and with my trading team. We are doing this every week. So you want to learn more and understand how we trade weekly, then join us in our Telegram group, guys. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a good thing for you to do. So now let me see. On the Euro USD, we're looking at the daily time frame. As you can see, the market has been trending beautifully up. So that is an uptrend for us. And then we saw that the market created a low here. Okay, we saw that structure there. And then we saw that price did this. So this is the zone at which we're looking at possibly trading for this coming week. So I would just mark that zone, which is just to check. That's about 100 and something pips. No, not a bad idea. If the market keep in consolidation, that will be back and forth, almost like 300 pips or thereabout that can be made within the week. Now let's see how the 4-hour time frame look. Now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, even though we're still in an uptrend direction, the 4-hour time frame looks very, very, very interesting because we have a lot of massive consolidation in the market last week, and then eventually the market actually has stayed on that consolidation. What I mean by that is in week 16, price was here. I did an analysis on week 16 based on this. There was a trend line that I marked that was somewhere around there. Yeah, there was I told you guys that as far as price was coming there, we just need price to come this low, all right? Price was here, and I said, I will expect price to break this low and come on to the zone. That's number one. If it bounces up, which is this trend line, if it bounces up, we're going to be buying and to take out this high. That's what I did. I remember that. Then I also told you that alternatively, if the market break this trend line, it should break this market structure, this breakup structure. If the market break the structure, then we should be looking for what? Pullback and a more sell. Remember I said that. So I think that's what I analyzed last week. But altogether, we can see that the market respected the trend line and pulled up a bit, but failed to break even higher. So it went into consolidation. So right now, we already can tell that there are a lot of liquidity levels to be grabbed. First of all, we have massive liquidity level here on Euro USD that need to be grabbed. So the market needs to push higher to take out that liquidity, and then from there begin to look for maybe a lower high or a higher high position for us to trade. What I mean by that is we want to see, let me just annotate. We want to see that the market comes, push up, take out liquidity, money here, a lot of dollars here, take out the liquidity, and then reject at this key level, or shoot up a little bit with a wick to tap into that zone, all right? And then we should look for possible sell from there. Then the market can sell into the trend line. If it bounces up the trend line or break the trend line, we need to pay attention to that. Now, I'm not certain whether the market is going to go all the way to break this high yet, but it could do. It could do next week because it's an uptrend market. We can only be looking for sell when the market breaks structure to this low by taking out or just rejecting at this level and then come all the way down, take out this low, take out this low. Then we look for more sales, right? But otherwise, we should be looking for the market going higher to take out this low due to the liquidity here, all right? The market should go higher and then pull back into the trend line and then break and push higher. So this push may take out this high and then break it, close above the high, and then eventually pull back into the trend line and then push up again for more buy. So that is the possible scenario that may happen next week. Otherwise, the market may push up here, reject again without breaking this high, and drop all the way down to take out the liquidity on this low, and then break structure here, pull back, and then start selling. That can possibly happen. So these are the two sides of the trade that you want to look at. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame to look at it closely. Now, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to zoom out now so you can see this. All right, now zooming out, zooming out, zooming out. All right, look at that beauty. Look at the beauty. Now, so we have more key levels to add to the 1 hour time frame. So at the 1 hour time frame now, we can actually move this key level over to the zone. So we can actually take this zone, which is this whole area, okay, as a major key area, okay? Oh, sorry. Yeah, major key area there. So we want price eventually to take our liquidity and head up here. So we'll be looking for possible sell within that zone on the 1 hour time frame. Except and until the market break higher above this high. And then we should look for possible pullback. We look for possible pullback into whichever zone and then look for continuation of the buy. That is another way that we can trade it and then have a beautiful week of trending the market up, because it's still looking at an uptrend apart from this consolidation. So this is a zone where we have a lot of liquidity to be taken out. So the market need to push up, take out liquidity, come all the way down to take out liquidity at the end of this. So we should be expecting something like this: push up, take out liquidity, or break this high or not. See, you need to pay attention to this high. If you fail to break that high, then know that the market is selling. It wants to sell, okay, to take out this low that is here. And then if it doesn't break this low, we also know that, okay, something is about to happen here. So with the market want to go back up and then eventually break the low. So first low here could be reasonable. Second low, major low, could be reasonable on the 1 hour. So the market could break this low and fail to break this low and then eventually pull back, all right? Pull back into a zone, reasonable, and then start selling again to break the previous lows, okay? That could happen. But we are not sure yet. So this is the way you want to look at it. So this is the forecast. This is how you want to look at the market on Euro USD this week. So pay attention to this major trend line. And if it breaks it to the low, wait for a pullback into it and sell. If it doesn't, and it maintained that high, then we're looking for more buys to the upside. So this is my view on Euro USD in week 17. I believe you guys enjoyed it. If you have more questions to this, please do not hesitate to comment on the comment section, or even come to our Telegram group and ask your question right there. You will get me, you'll get my attention on the Telegram group as well. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on your bell notification for more of this analysis coming your way. More weeks to come. All right, throughout the year we're going to be doing this every week, so enjoy learning how to trade with us. All right, this is Tcbfx. I'm signing out. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.